So hey guys, what's about? It's your host MrNiaMsTeR, and today I'm back with new amazing video once again, guys. So basically in this video I'm going to show you how you could open any of the raw files in your Snapseed app itself, and not only that, I will also show you how you could fix the could not open the file error or load error, whatever, whenever you try to open the raw file itself. So let's get started with this video, guys. So first of all, now let me just tell you how you could open up the raw file instead. So once you're there, so as you could see, currently my raw file extension is .cr2, guys. So what you need to do is just go ahead and just download the app called raw2dng, guys. So I will just put the link in the description, so just go ahead and just download this shit up. So that's it. So once you have downloaded this up, guys, what you need to do is now just go ahead to the directory where you have placed your raw file. So in my case, this is my raw folder itself, and once you're there, now just go ahead and click on this .cr2 file, and once you're there, just click on this convert to TIFF. So that's it. So once you have converted your file to .tiff, guys, so basically just go ahead to your Snapseed, guys, and once you're there on your Snapseed, now just go ahead and click on this plus icon, and now similarly just go ahead to the raw file or folder, whatever your directory is. So once you're there on your raw directory, as you could see, I currently can't open the .cr2 file, but I can do open my .tiff file. So just go ahead and just tap on this TIFF file. So as you could see, I'm currently getting this error. So this was the solution for the problem number 2, which I was telling in the starting of the video. So for that, what you need to do is just go ahead to the raw.dng once again, guys, and once you're there, just click on the .dng. So basically now we will have 3 files, that is the raw file, then TIFF file, and this time is our dng. So once you have converted to the dng file, once you've done with this, now what you need to do is just similarly just go ahead to the Snapseed once again and go to the same directory once again, and this time just go ahead and just tap on the TIFF file once again, and now as you could see, now you could open up your raw file easily without any issue, and that's it. So once you're done with this, guys, what you need to do, just click on this check icon, and now let me just show you something new, that whenever I try to go ahead to the tools tab, basically instead of now you will see something new, that is the develop option, which you can't see on the other on the normal app. So just go ahead and click on this develop and just go ahead and edit as per your need. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this small video is really helpful, and if really yes, just go ahead and like this video, and also subscribe to my channel for more, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So that's it. See you in my next video, guys. Your host MrNiaMsTeR. Bye bye.